Exciting announcement. So JourneyTEAM is hosting a Power BI Masterclass series. This is a series of about 10 classes hosted each quarter, which has already begun. So far, we have done the Dashboard in a Day, data modeling, and data shaping classes, but we still have fundamentals of DAX, intermediate, advanced as well, advanced visualizations, performance optimization, Power Apps, admin in a day, all of these options to improve your skills and enable your team to pull insights in a new way. We are empowering users to find insights in their own data, and you can sign up here at powerbimasterclass2020.eventbrite.com. This is a really amazing opportunity. We have some incredible professionals here who are teaching these classes, have had excellent experience, and really will help you find what you're looking for in your data.